In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Fresha business account. If you've decided to close your Fresha business account, this walkthrough will guide you through the exact places to click and what to expect along the way. Before you begin, remember that deleting an account can end access to your bookings, client information, and reports associated with that business profile. Make sure you're certain about the decision and that you've saved anything important outside the platform if you'll need it later. Start by signing into your Fresha business account. This takes you to the business dashboard rather than the client-facing side. Once you're in, look for the settings area. Depending on your layout, settings may appear in the side menu or near the top of your screen as a gear icon. Open settings and then choose business profile. This is the section that controls the core details of your business on Fresha, so it's the right place to adjust high-level actions like closing the account. Inside business profile, scroll down until you see account settings. Take your time here. The option you're looking for might be near the bottom of the page. In account settings, look for a link or button labeled delete account. In some versions, the wording can appear as close account. They serve the same purpose in this context, which is to begin the process of permanently removing the business account from Fresha. Click delete account. At this stage, Fresha will ask you to confirm. You'll typically see a confirmation prompt explaining what deletion means and reminding you that this action cannot be undone. Read this message carefully so you're fully aware of the impact, including the loss of access tied to this business account. When you're ready and you understand the consequences, confirm the deletion to proceed. If you don't see the delete account or close account option, double check that you're in business profile under settings and not in a different area. Some accounts require specific permissions to perform deletion, so ensure you're signed in with the appropriate access. If the option still doesn't appear, updating your app or checking via a desktop browser can help. As a last resort, reach out to Fresha's support team and ask for assistance with closing your business account. That's all there is to it. Sign in, go to settings, open business profile, scroll to account settings, select delete account or close account and confirm when prompted. Take a moment to ensure you truly want to proceed, and once you confirm, the deletion process will begin.